Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Ready Akanksha. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the MAC X Shreya Jain collection. I have got this Lal Ishq variant out of all the three combos. This is how it looks. Isn't it pretty, you guys? Like, look at that beauty. And the very reason why I got this combo is because it has Ruby Woo in it, and I wanted to get Ruby Woo for so many years, you know. But yeah, because for people like me who are not earning, who are say students or school goers or college goers, 70-100 rupees kharchna on a lipstick is really something that we need to think 100 times before buying the product. So the same goes for me. But finally, when I saw this very combo, I was like, Sone pe suhaga. Along with that, you're getting two products for just the price of one, because Ruby Woo itself aati hai 1700 rupees ki, but this combo itself is for 1800 rupees. So yeah, this is how the box looks like. And now let me tell you what are the products you get in here, right? So you get a full size Ruby Woo, the 3-gram one, and it itself retails for 1700 rupees. And then you get this MAC Fix Plus, which is the mini variant. So आपको इधर 30 ml का product मिलता है, and the Fix Plus, the tiny one, it also retails individually for somewhere around 1200 rupees. So आपको somewhere around 3000 rupees का product मिल रहा है just for 1800 rupees. So that was a steal deal, you know. And it's a very good gifting option as well. The packaging looks like a mithai ka dabba, so it's really attractive, I feel. And this is how they look. So let's talk about both these products in depth. Now this is how Ruby Woo looks like, even though I feel that every single person might have seen Ruby Woo once in their life. This is how the shade looks like. It's a really beautiful royal classic red. I simply love this. You know, people describe Ruby Woo in such a way that ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा crusty matte lipstick है, या you know बिल्कुल भी creamy नहीं है, बहुत ही powdery matte type की है, आपके lips को dry कर देती है. So I was really expecting that this is gonna really dry the hell out of my lips, but ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ है. It is really comfortable to wear, surprisingly, and it's not at all like crusty matte lipstick, you know. It's a really comfortable matte lipstick. Along with that, I would say that people do tend to say that it lasts for a really long time, which is not true, you guys, because it lasts on your lips, but it's not like super long lasting, you know, as we would expect it to be. So that was the thing. I was a tad bit disappointed because I was really expecting 700 rupees का अगर मैं lipstick खरीदी, I really wanted to last, you know, थोड़ी देर तो रह जाए. But yeah, if you eat or drink something, it really fades away, like, yeah. So that's a bummer. But other than that, the shade is amazing. It is so royal, so classy red. You can never go wrong with the Ruby Woo, you know, like for the shade I'm saying. And इसके fragrance is like completely similar to the Maybelline Bullet lipsticks, the creamy matte ones. So it's not at all unpleasant like some lipsticks are. It's really yummy smelling and really like chocolatey kind of a fragrance it has. So that's really appealing. You're getting two best sellers from MAC, the Fix Plus and the Ruby Woo, just for 1800 rupees. It's simply wow, you know. And मैंने इस combo को लिया था Myntra से, and Myntra में मेरे कुछ credit points थे. So using those, मुझे actually ये combo मिला सिर्फ 1600 rupees में. Yes. So that was like the cherry on the cake. I'll actually show you guys by putting this on right now, okay? इसीलिए मैंने आज बहुत ही एक light color की lipstick लगा के रखा है, so that I can put it on and show you guys live demo. You guys, while applying, you need to kind of tug and pull your lips a tad bit, but ये drying नहीं है, okay? It's not drying or very dry, but just while applying, you need to, you know, you can feel a little bit of tugging and pulling. Okay, so this is how it looks. And you know, it's not like a neutral red shade, it's a tad bit on the warmer toned, so it's really gonna look very flattering, and it's also gonna make your teeth look whiter. Okay, now let's come to the Fix Plus. So as I said already, it is in the tinier packaging. You get 30 ml product here, and individually it retails for somewhere around 1200 rupees. And it comes in this pump applicator or spray applicator बोल सकते हो आप. So it's really convenient to use. However, I feel that the mist is not that fine, you know. I'll just show you. I don't know if the camera is gonna pick up, but I'll just show you once, okay? Can you see? The mist is not that fine. but it's good. The fragrance is okay-ish. It's not that pleasant as well. Okay, so honestly you guys, I feel that this is not like a very unique product. You can get ऐसा type का कोई भी चीपर ब्रांड में भी आपको मिल जाएगी ऐसी प्रेप प्लस फिक्सिंग स्प्रे. सो इट्स नॉट समथिंग वेरी यूनिक और वेरी आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स, वेरी इनोवेटिव, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट इट्स अ गुड वन. इफ़ यू कैन अफोर्ड मैक यू कैन गो फॉर दिस. अगर आप इसे अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते यू कैन यूज़ द मिस क्लेयर सेटिंग स्प्रे, और आप पैक का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. निक्स ऑल्सो हैज़ अमेजिंग मेकअप फिक्सर्स. So yeah, I won't say this is like a must-have product, but it's good. And honestly, I love Ruby Woo, but for the Fix Plus, I'm like, I have a neutral opinion. You know, it's not that good, it's not that bad either. It's like somewhere in between. It's okay-ish. If you want this, you can go for it. But अगर आपको इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है, you can pretty much do with all those cheaper makeup fixers as well. And for Ruby Woo, again, you know, it's not a very unique shade. It's just that इसकी formula is really good and इसकी shade is very opaque and on your face kind of a red. But ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है that you are never gonna find another lipstick of the same shade from cheaper brands. It's not so. I have a lipstick on in my vanity which is completely like Ruby Woo. Yes, if you wanna know that, let me know in the comments below. I will let you guys know. But अगर आपको सिर्फ Ruby Woo जैसा ही एक shade चाहिए, then do not go for Ruby Woo. You can go for the cheaper alternatives because the shade is pretty common. You know, आपको आराम से मिल जाएगी इस shade के lipsticks other brands में. So yes, people, that was about these two bestsellers from MAC, from the MAC X Shreya Jain collection. I hope you guys liked this short and simple review. If you did, then do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.